Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We hold a treasure. We hold the elixir of the heart of the oral lineage, so we know that samsara has a self-luminous heart. We use the wheel of our awareness of knowledge to circle around the wisdom of the dominion of the Dharma with clarity. We use the wheel of the stages of magical words to make ourselves transfer. Like the moon and the water, the door to the treasure that holds the ambrosial elixir is open. We delight in heaps of jewels. The unfortunate, who are misers of secrets, will not enjoy a heart of happiness for 110 millions of eons. This self-luminescent light will be hidden within their dominion in a treasure house where there are kept the makers of motion. There blazes the light of luminescent jewels, but right at that moment the light also fails. We will be simply covered in darkness. In that same way, this Upadesha instruction will be taught by someone to someone even after the light of the luminescent jewels has failed. It will fall into the realm of the darkness of samsara. Prakrit words, a resolve that is certain, and awareness that is conclusive, are the space of our own wisdom. It is said that there are 4 Upadesha instructions that are to be spread about. In the infinite palace of blazing jewels, there is a vase that is pure and clean. The light of the luminous jewels blazes. It makes the house of treasure into a luminescent mound. Gurus and students are designated to be 2. We use 4 ways of penetrating instructions to illuminate the reward for an awareness that reaches the end. Within the heap that is a natural house of jewels, it is like the vision made by 100 suns that make things shine. Spontaneously realized and self-luminous wisdom will dawn on us as a reward that we were not seeking. As for the self-luminosity that is not contrived and is not an attribution, it dawns on us as an embodiment of the Dharma that is not complicated. This is only our playfulness in the bliss of practicing our desire. It shines as the embodiment of our perfect pleasure.